Hi, it's Leah from Imagine DIY and I'm back again to show you how to make this really lovely invitation. This is one of my favourites for a while because I just love the rose pink against the ivory background. I just think it works beautifully. But I know pink isn't everybody's colour, so I've also made it in an ivory. Just by changing the ribbon, you can completely change the look up. So this invitation is really easy to make. All the products and the downloadable templates are available on our website. That's www.imaginediy.co.uk. So I've pre-printed the insert for this invitation, and all we're doing is taking a coordinating self-adhesive pearl and placing it onto the invitation. This is a nice finishing touch. It's not essential, but it just ties everything in together. And we're slotting that inside the laser cut pocket and just closing everything up. This laser cut pocket is stunning. So I'm just taking double the length of ribbon, so twice the width of the invitation. And then I'm going to lay it on a flat surface and place the invitation on top and fold the ribbon into the centre. I'm then going to use a glue gun just to secure the ends, making sure that it's nice and level there. And then we're just going to trim off the excess ribbon. So next we're going to make the little Dior bow, and I'm going to use the first one as a guide. So I'm just taking just over twice the width that I want the bow to be. There. And I'm going to fold it into the middle just to create the shape of the bow. There. And you want both ends nice and even there. And then we're going to use the glue gun just to secure both ends in the centre. There. So if you can see, we've got the first part of a nice neat bow there. And we're going to use a glue gun again just to apply some glue at the back of the bow. And then we're going to stick this first part of the bow on top of the ribbon, and this will cover the loose end as well, so it's really neat. So we're now going to make the next part of the bow, and again I'm going to use the first bow just as a guide. You can use a ruler, you can use your eye, but I just like to do things the quick way. So again we're going to make the second layer of the bow in the same way as the first. It's basically just a smaller version. And we're going to use the glue gun just to stick it in place on top of the first layer. There. So if you can see, we've now got a nice bouncy bow that's kind of 3D, but it just looks really pretty. And we're going to stick our embellishment on top using the glue gun. You don't want to use too much glue on this. And we're just going to press it into place at the centre of the bow. And that's essentially the invitation finish. It really is that easy and it's absolutely stunning. So you can change the embellishment, you can change the bow colour, you can even use a different invitation. So completely make this yours. And everything is available on our website, imaginediy.co.uk. Why not take a look and see what else you can find?